It is very hard to sleep when you have a kitty behind the bed doing that. She pops up because there is my pillow, and she'll pop up. If I put my hand out, she will attack it. Or she'll randomly hit, like she's doing now. Thunk, thunk, thunk. Hi, what are you doing? What are you doing? This is a game. No! What are you doing? Are you being bad? Dixie! Dixie! Where are you? Not too far away. What are you doing? Why don't you let me sleep? How come you won't let me sleep? Huh? 'Cause you're just hateful? Huh? You're funny, but cute. Alright, this is going on YouTube.